Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to protect your glass using GTECHNIQ products. All right, so we've got a couple different GTECHNIQ products here that we're going to be using to not only clean, but also protect this glass. So first up, we're going to need to clean the glass. We're going to be using Perfect Glass G6 to make sure we wash and clean the glass as best as we can. Then we are going to be using G4 Nanotech polish, the glass polish, to make sure that that glass doesn't have any extra water spots, any bonded contaminants, anything like that. We're also going to quickly clay the glass, and then we're also going to be cleaning it with panel wipe to make sure there's no oil, fingerprints, dust, debris, any kind of things left on the glass. Then we are going to be using the combination of G1 and G2. Now, G1 is the coating that you're going to put on the glass, and G2 is the residue remover, and it's part of a two-part bonding system. So we'll apply this, we'll remove the excess with this, then we will apply it again. We're actually going to do 3 coats of this on the glass. So a coat of this, wipe it off. Coat of this, wipe it off. Coat of this, wipe it off. Then our glass should be clean, protected for up to 20,000 miles. So let's get started. All right guys, so there you have it. A simple, easy install. A little more time consuming than most windshield coatings, I would say, but you gotta love the process. You gotta make sure it's clean, you gotta use the polish, and then utilizing the coating and the residue remover. Making sure though, remind you that that residue remover, once you put it on, you immediately take it off. It makes it much easier and you don't have to deal with it being too dry or not getting off all the way. So make sure you do that. I also made sure that I put a little G1 on the wiper blades as well, just because that's one of the things that they say. And as always, make sure you read the directions provided. That way you installed it properly. So as always, guys, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos right here at the Rag Company YouTube channel.